In this video we will discuss a very important problem, so that is to find an electric field at A, B, C points as mentioned in the diagram. So see here, first you see the diagram. See here, this is your conducting sheets, two conducting sheets carrying a positive charge, this carrying a negative charge. It is having surface charge density sigma, this is having a surface charge density minus sigma. So both have a same magnitude. I want to calculate electric field at A point, that is extreme left, midway, that is B, and extreme right, that is C. Now before we calculate the electric field at A, B, C points, let us first discuss the electric field due to a conducting sheet. We know that the electric field due to a conducting sheet is equal to E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. Here I want to make a point is here the charge is distributed on the both the walls of a sheet. As we know that the sheet has two faces, whenever a charge is given to a conducting sheet, that charge is distributed on the front and back face both. So then the electric field on the surface is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. Now what happens to the electric field when the charge is distributed on only one face of the sheet? So when it has only one face, that is on the front face, then the electric field also get divided, sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So this we keep in mind, when the charge is distributed only on the one face, then the electric field will be sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Now come to the problem. So here we want to calculate the electric field at point A, B and C point. Now to calculate electric field at point A. So before we calculating, let us mention the electric field due to positive sheet and electric field due to negative sheet. See here, electric field due to the positive and negative sheet, here the charge is distributed on the inside wall of the sheets, as because of the force of attraction between the positive and negative charge is collected on the inside wall. Here also charge is collected on the inside wall of the sheet. So this means that the charge is only placed on the one face of the sheet. So the electric field will be sigma by, as mentioned here, as you see mentioned here, only for one sheet is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. Here also it is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. And for positive charge, electric field lines are outward, so it is outward. Direction is outward. Similarly, for the sigma by 2 epsilon naught, because here also, but is inward. So now we will calculate the electric field at point A, then at point B, and then at point C. So electric field at point A will be equal to, that is electric field due to positive charge sheet plus electric field due to negative charge sheet. So now to solve it, let us first calculate the direction of E positive and E negative. So we from here, electric field due to the positive charge sheet is outward. So if you mention here for at point A, the electric field due to positive charge sheet will be along this direction, that is E positive. And electric field due to negative charge sheet is inward, that is along this direction. This negative charge along this direction, inward. So if you see these two directions, both electric fields are in opposite direction. So the resultant electric field will be equal to E positive minus E negative. From here you see that it is independent of the distance, so both will have a same magnitude. So the resultant electric field will be equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So the resultant electric field at point A will be equal to 0. Now let us calculate the electric field at point B. Similarly, the electric field at point B will be also equal to electric field due to the positive charge sheet at point B plus electric field due to negative charge sheet at point B. So to know more about it, first we calculate the direction. So see, we know the electric field due to at point B, electric field due to the positive charge is outward, so along this direction, and for negative it is inward towards the sheet, so it is along this direction. So E negative is also along this direction. So if by seeing the direction, we can judge that both are in same direction. So the resultant electric field will be equal to sum of these. So it is this much. So if you solve it, put the value sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So when you solve it, it will give you sigma by epsilon naught. So this is your electric field from positive to negative. So this is your electric field between the plates. Now the last at point C. The electric field at point C. From here you can see that at this point, electric field at point C will be equal to electric field due to positive charge sheet plus electric field due to negative charge sheet. So first we want to find out the direction. So see here, at point C, the electric field due to negative charge is inward, that is along this direction, and electric field due to positive charge is outward, bahar ki taraf, that is along this direction. If you see both the direction, both are in opposite direction. So resultant electric field will be equal to E positive minus E negative. So if we know that electric field due to positive charge sheet and negative charge sheet both have same magnitude. So sigma by 2 epsilon naught minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So resultant is equal to 0. So from here you can see that electric field at point A and at point C is equal to 0. Is equal to 0, and the electric field at point B, that is between the sheet, is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. This you remember, that is whenever we place a two equal and opposite charge sheet, then the electric field between the sheet is sigma by epsilon naught, and the electric field on the outside, both left side or right side, will be equal to 0. Thanking you.